Hey everyone! Exciting news from Nothing sub-brand CMF. After weeks of anticipation, we finally have the specs and pricing details for their debut smartphone, the CMF Phone 1. Let's dive right into what this device has to offer. Display. It features a 6.7-inch FHD AMOLED touchscreen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and an in-display fingerprint sensor for added security. Performance. Powering the CMF Phone 1 is the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 SoC, ensuring seamless performance for all your daily tasks. Camera. Capture your moments with a 50MP rear camera paired with a depth sensor, while selfies shine with a 16MP front-facing snapper. Battery. Keeping everything running is a robust 5000 mAh battery, supporting 303 wired charging for quick power-ups. Storage and RAM. It comes in two versions, one with 6GB of RAM and another with 8GB, both offering 128GB of expandable storage to store your apps, photos, and more. Software. The CMF Phone 1 will run on Android 14 out of the box, delivering a smooth and up-to-date user experience. Pricing. For those in the Indian market, the CMF Phone 1 is rumored to be priced at INR 15,999 for the 6GB RAM variant and INR 17,999 for the 8GB RAM variant, after factoring in discounts and bank offers. In terms of specs, this model aims to deliver exceptional value at a lower price point compared to the Nothing Phone 2A. It sacrifices the glyph lights and ultra-wide camera found in its predecessor, reduces the resolution of the selfie camera, and adjusts charging speeds from 405 to 303. Are you excited about the CMF Phone 1? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest in smartphone technology. See you next time.